Hi, Neely Nathan with Expert Village. The next subject that is, it's some sort of a processed gooey cheese. The pretzels, this is not a good carb choice. This is probably about the worst carbohydrate, and then it has the additional salt and sodium. So this goes in file 13, right into the trash. But here, so that's the do not. Here are the do's, because we all like to snack, and that's perfectly okay. Just take your time to read the labels and make some better choices. Here's one that has soy and flax seeds. Alrighty, it's got 6 grams of protein. It's a good source of fiber. Let me show you what that looks like. It's a baked chip. Baked potato chips are always better. And you get the flax seeds. You know, the kids that come over to our house love this. It gives them the extra fiber that children need. And it's a very good choice. The other one would be a multi-grain pita chip with some sesame seeds. So these are also baked and sprinkled with sesame seed. Now for the sweet tooth, most of them have one, including me. I will pick black dark chocolate because it does have an antioxidant, so I could justify eating my chocolate. And these are figments, kind of a cute idea. They have black mission figs in rich dark chocolate. So let's look at the label here. Well, it does have 6 grams of saturated fat, but it has 0 trans fat, 0 cholesterol, so that's good, and 3 grams of fiber and 19 grams of sugar for a 1/4 cup serving. So, you don't want to eat the whole thing, but as a treat, why not try some dark chocolate with some natural figs? So there you have it. Here are some really good snack ideas.